Okay, in the tool panels, we also have an eraser, and it's kind of straightforward. It is allowed us to remove elements from the currently selected or created layers. So for example, if we have a different layer and we have our eraser selected, you can notice it doesn't produce any effect because it will work only on a selected layer. So as we select eraser, our properties, it is a size of eraser. We have our opacity, so it depends. If we have it smaller, we can erase just a little bit. And if our opacity is 100%, it will perform much faster. Hardness, and let's look on this. So we have edges, and look how edges apply a little bit more smoother. And then we have a very big hardness. Let's make it to small size. You can see how it's leaving a little bit those dots, so it's apply less smooth per each. There also, you notice this kind of bunch of small dot circle, and it's also based on a spacing. So if we increase our spacing, you can see how much spacing going between each erase. And of course, if we're going our spacing to 1, now it will go very fast, and we can erase a straight line. So okay, this is our straightforward how it's eraser. It works similar. And of course, if you're using the Bicom or touch pen, you can always adjust and work with the pressure sensitive.